Hello and welcome to this walkthrough of the Student Planner. This all-in-one Notion template is designed to help you stay on top of your studies, organize assignments, and manage your academic life effortlessly. With dedicated pages for courses, assignments, grades, feedback, study sessions, study goals, contacts, wellness tracking, notes, finances, and materials and resources, you'll have everything you need to make each semester your most productive yet. First up is the courses page. Here you can log all your courses in one place. Track details like the course names, instructors, schedules, and notes for lectures or projects. This page helps you stay organized by giving you a comprehensive overview of your academic workload. Next, we have the assignments page. Keep track of all your upcoming deadlines, due dates, and project details. You can mark completed tasks, prioritize your workload, and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. The grades page is where you can monitor your academic progress. Log your scores, calculate averages, and stay on top of how you are performing in each class. This page ensures you always know where you stand. On the study sessions page, you can log your study times and track how much time you're dedicating to each subject. It's a great way to stay consistent and focus on what needs your attention most. Next, let's look at the study goals page. This is where you can set academic targets, like completing a certain number of study hours or achieving specific grades. The contacts page is perfect for keeping track of important academic connections, like professors, classmates, or study groups. Store contact information, office hours, or even helpful reminders about who to reach out to. On the wellness tracking page, you can log your daily mood and track sleep, exercise, and other routines to ensure you're staying balanced while managing your studies. Then we have the notes page, a dedicated space for jotting down ideas, class notes, or anything you need to remember. Organize and revisit your notes whenever you need them. The finances page helps you manage your budget while in school, track expenses, set spending limits, and ensure you're staying on top of tuition, supplies, and personal costs. And finally, we have the materials and resources page. Here you can store essential study materials, references, or links to helpful resources. This template also comes with a database, so you can view and organize all your entries in one place. That's a complete walkthrough of the Student Planner template. The all-in-one Notion template is fully customizable, quick to set up, and comes with a lifetime of updates and of course customer support when you need it. You can find the link to this template in the description down below and on our website. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and explore our other templates as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.